It's indeed a terrible situation for this community, as the parts of the community has been submerged by flood. The flood is coming from, in fact, this place you can see here used to be where the flood goes to. It's a low-lying floodplain, but the government came and built the Abia State mechanic industrial cluster here. We can call it mechanic village, and that has caused problem for the community, because the water now finds its way into the community instead of where it used to go to before. So they keep seeing these floods, and this one is very severe. It has actually pursued the people living here out of their houses. They are homeless as we speak. The water you are seeing here is not river, but then it's flood. This water is, in fact, I am right inside the water. It's very close to my very close to my waist, as you can see. The young man you can see here in the video, you can see where the water is actually reaching him. So people who were around when the rain started were able to lift their properties, valuables, where the flood could not reach. But I can tell you the damage was quite severe. Yes, very, very severe. Of course, you see a line around the window of that particular building and others. That used to be where the flood was reaching, right? So it is actually going down, but you could see the level as we speak. This particular building here, I heard that every electronics, because the owner was not around, and the entire electronics properties that the man has,
you can see here, that is how
destroyed by the flood.
Their furnitures are just made to hang.
The level of damage that these people are enduring as we speak.
Here is the water level.
The window
of course, before now the water level was beyond
these waters
that window.
Used to go that place that the government
on that particular building
facility. But if you don't find an alternative for water, if you by itself look for one.
Let
me take you inside some of the property right inside this building.
As a result of this flood, I will also take you to where.
So that's how they were able to lift up some of their furniture
the flood emanated
to save them from the water.
So let me take you back inside this building. This particular building.
This man's sitting room. I'm right inside here, but I can tell you for free that this water is going past my knee.
So here is the sitting room.
Going past my knees, just
entirely
almost reaching my waist. You need to see.
This whole sitting room has been overtaken by the flood.
So every property here, nothing is safe.
Nothing left.
I can tell you, nothing is safe.
They said it has damaged a lot.
It's really a very terrible time for the residents of this village.
All their belongings gone.
Of course.
They are
looking for development, but this particular one has actually brought tears rather than happiness for them. So the government needs to do urgent intervention to make sure that
right here,
they find a way to channel this flood to a nearby river. The river is not very far, right? So Abia River is not very far from this particular place. So it's just some few kilometers away, and then the government can actually build gutters that can channel the water anytime there is rain to the river. That's going to be the permanent solution. See how they manage to lift up some of the properties, their homes and all that. So here's a woman that has something to tell us.
I'm Nkechi Monday. La Ovom 1. Isiala Ovom. I indeed got bigger ha came down IBB. I didn't have many lab. Yeah, that but I ain't maybe she came babble time. No mum de hila shop. Many rule and my sumo that was seeing learning. So I don't make a government to ever try your senior marker. My board and you got a line when I'm in there. How one dear Bushima, and man, you with a minute day rubu. Maybe we come about one your senior marker. I needed the help. I'm on why you know where the Olan and Hadeba Bomnage. My baby, maybe we could add me Jesus that way. My boy, Yanaka. That we may learn why you get because you can't call us.
Yesterday was very hectic. So I got a report from floodplain where
Honorable Elder Chairman Patrick Onyewoka, Onyoma Isiala Ovom Autonomous Community, Obingwa LGA, Abia State, Nigeria. Yendi mengana mbola kembe the government with a group of people who have asked a company who is a commission where one way ngana bonga mini leja tala village leja ko one way a channel for kwarawanye be mini yange daga mini ya hafu zebo ge kwesere ga lihile vuliruwe IBBelu that lost and not here we vulia yelu mini lende ke anyi kwesere bala yili menga mbonga loja akochi ya ebufura ya wozo mini ya lile nga tono ngoblo hono zo lime village onu mana oblo hono zo ya ba ya oto nke ndo digi kiri kacha mbo majara no mo obo boda ega o weta source ya nkutu offense ya ba ya gawa gari wali me village ke nga e hono nga bo nga o chotoro zo ki agbo ngo ga de kwa gbo ori ale ba lile properties lile agula adekwa hembari uru nno nga ma o motakere ma mandelele nde mbi nga kwafula ihe izinna we kwafu ga agbara kpafu si bodo so biko ande area yombo la hande Isiala Ovom ta gbatara wanya ose enyemaka bia mana ha ga ime hena o dekwa hendiludu ndekwa nudu biko abo ke arịrịọ mma ndewo